Balanced compositions always come from how well your frames guide attention across the layout. Today, how to design balanced frame compositions. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert 2 or 3 frames and arrange them across the canvas with equal visual weight. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them individually. Select the background and apply a neutral or soft gradient tone. Slightly adjust spacing between frames to create breathing room. Add thin line elements or subtle shapes to connect the layout, lowering their opacity. Use position tools to align everything while maintaining balance. Add minimal text using a clean font. This balanced composition